Right, here we have a John Deere JX90CB, JX90CB aluminium base. It's a proper commercial mower. I don't know if you can see any of these numbers here. Maybe you can pause it and have a look what model it is. Got a problem with it. It just wants to drive and drive and drive. Well, let's have a look what it does. What do we do with it? It's on stop. Put it on to choke. This, I don't know what that does. This is speed. I'll leave it on slow. Let's start it. Okay. Right, no other lever to press. And there's your problem. It's going to drive on its own. You can actually make it go faster, I think, by pressing this forward. No, this one. Yeah, this one here. Yeah, it seems to be engaged in drive. So if I put it down again, it wants to go. I don't know what to do with it. Some kind of stuck in some kind of drive. So the engine works, the drive works, everything works. How do you stop this? Yeah, press this lever. Yeah. Make of it what you will. Selling as spares and repairs, I think. That's about right, yeah. Probably very simple repair for somebody who knows what they're doing. Haven't got a clue myself. Got it like this. Not good to me. So let me know what you think of it. Thank you for watching the video.